Hey guys, it's Bunny here. What? Bunny? What? Alright. Hey guys, it's Pie here. So today in this video, see my end, what? So today I want to show you guys this website, wait. Okay, so the last time she updated was January 7th, 2014, and when I first saw this website, sorry, no fair, I started crying because I felt so bad. Okay, so this is it. It's called Kisses for Cami. She died of leukemia. I don't remember when, but this is Cami. If you guys want to see more of this, choose and dance. If you guys want to see more of this, it's on Kisses for Cami. But yeah, see? And Angie got inspired of that to make Cami the original Cami. I don't know what it looks like, but they made Cami to make that girl happy. I'll show you in a second. This is Cami's frog. Her mom... Okay, whatever. Her mom was a helper of Animal Jam. So she helped Cami get cured a little bit by making her spirit rise because she played Animal Jam for a little while, then she passed away. She was actually thankful to be alive, but still, Kisses for Cami will be loved. This was 2014. It's been almost a year since she's uploaded, so I hope she can upload again, and I hope she's not gone. That's all I want to say for right now. Alright, so that's all I want to say for right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this. And please look at Kisses for Cami. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.